Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for product design. First, open Figma and familiarize yourself with the canvas and toolbars. You'll find tools for creating shapes, text, and frames on the left. The right sidebar controls properties like colors, fonts, and effects. Understanding this layout is crucial for efficient design work. Let's dive into setting up your first project. Next, we'll explore Figma's core design tools. Frames are your artboards, organizing your design pages. Use shapes and text to build your UI elements. Components are key for efficiency. Create a button once and reuse it everywhere. Auto layout helps you build flexible designs that adapt to different content, saving you significant time and effort. Now, let's bring your designs to life with prototyping. Connect your frames to simulate user flows, showing how users navigate your product. Add interactive elements like clicks and hovers, and choose from various animation styles to make transitions smooth and engaging. Testing your prototype is vital to gather feedback and refine the user experience before development begins. Finally, Figma excels in collaboration and developer handoff. Share your design files with team members and stakeholders for real-time feedback. Use the comment feature to pinpoint specific areas for discussion. For developers, Figma provides inspect mode, allowing them to extract CSS, iOS, or Android code snippets and asset exports, streamlining the implementation process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.